Friend, today we have another question. It is very interesting and this question is asked in many company. Just you can check the difficulty level of this question is easy and the question name is maximum sum pairing with difference less than k. We have to find the pair whose difference is k. Okay. Now try to understand the question scenario first, then we will do the dry run, then we write the code also. Let's try to read the problem statement. Given an array ARR of positive integers and a number k, we have given one array ARR of positive integers, okay, and a number k. The task is the find maximum pair sum with the following condition on the pair. Means we have to find the maximum pair sum with the following conditions. Pair difference should be less than k. First condition is the pair difference should be less than k. Pair should be disjoint. For example, if indices x and y is a result pair, then neither x nor y should appear in any other result pair. Means we don't have to include that xy in any other result pair. Sum of p pairs means sum of 2p elements in the result. We have to sum all the pairs. If no valid pair can be formed, then return 0. Okay, here we have given one input like here one array is given and k is 4. Then the difference between two element is less than 4. We have to include it like 3 and 5. The difference between 3 and 5 is 2 is less than k. The difference between 10 and 12 is less than 4. So we'll include it. Then difference between 15 and 17 is less than k. So we have to include it and the sum of all the pair is 62. Now try to now I am going to dry run this question and discuss about the time and space complexity. Here the question is given. Okay. Hmm. Suppose we have given one arrays. Yes. Hmm. First one is brute force method. Brute force. Okay. Here one array is given 3, 5, 10, 15, 17, 12 and 9 and k equal to 4. Suppose I will put I equal to here and j equal to here. The difference between 5 and 3 is less than 4. Okay, then include it into the answer. Answer equal to answer plus 3 plus 5. Okay, then again, if we found one pair, then we don't have to include it into the another result set. So I will become here and j will become here. Then check the difference. 10 minus 5, 5 is less than 4, no. Then j will go here. 15 and 5, 10 is less than k, no. Then j will go here. 17 and 5, 12, no. Then then go to here. 12 and 5, 70, no. 9 and 5, no. Then I will become here. And then j will conclude here. Then check here. 15 minus 10, 5 is less than no. 17 minus no. 12 minus 10, yes. Then include it. 10 plus 12 and break out. Then I will become here. Then j will become here. 17 and 15, yeah, is less than 4. Then 15 plus 17. Then answer will become 62. And we have to return this answer. So here we are using the one I is here and j. We are using nested loop. So the time complexity will become big O of n square and a space complexity is constant. Okay. So we have to optimize the time complexity. Now let's try to do it. Here we are we are using the optimize approach. Optimize optimize method. first we have to sort the array. So first the given array is 3, 5, 10, 15, 17, 12, and 9, and k equal to 4. Then we have to sort the array. Then 3, 5, then 9, then 10, 10, then 12, then 15, then 17. Okay. Suppose we will start from here I. Then the difference between two, se- uh, 17 and 15 is 2 is less than k. Then include into the answer 17 plus 15. Then we will come here because if we include this into the array, we don't have to check 15 and 12. So we have to move here I. So 12 and 10 difference is less than, yeah, then we have to include it. 10 plus 12. Then I will go here. Okay. 9 and 5 is less than, no. No, it is not less than k. Go here. I equal here. 5 and 3 is less than. Then include it into the answer. And then the answer will become 62. Okay. So the time complexity of this program is bigger of n log n. Okay. And a space complexity is constant. So we have to solve this question with optimized method and try to write the code in GFG compiler. Let's try to write the code in GFG compiler and check all the test case is passed or not. Okay, here first we have to sort the array. Arrays dot sort arr. Okay, then we will start from, okay, then we have to take one answer. Int answer equal to 0 for int I equal to array dot length minus 1. I is greater than 0. Okay, then we have to check it. If array of I minus array of I minus 1 is less than k, yes, then include it into the answer. Answer equal to answer plus array of I plus array of I minus 1, and then I equal to I minus 2 because we don't have to include this pair into any other another result set. That's why we are taking I equal to I minus 1, else I equal to I minus 1. Okay, then return the answer. Yes, now try to compile and run. Yeah, we are getting the expected output. So we have to submit this code and check all the test cases. Yes, it's passed. Okay, this is the best way to learn DSA, and if you solve the question like this, you will learn DSA within 3 months. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment box. Okay, bye bye, see you.